each of us had picked what we thought was the toughest truck. I, of course, chose the Ram, Tanner the Ford, and Rutledge the Chevy. And we were having a competition to prove who had the best. Tanner and Rutledge each had one victory.
Yeah, that's like a rock, baby!
So we drove high into the hills for our third test.
This is it.
This is it?
Yeah. Look at this. It's the perfect thing to test a truck's off-road prowess. This is a runaway truck ramp used to stop 80,000-pound plus trucks.
Right.
Coming down this huge hill.
Yeah, this is like rock quicksand. This stops 80,000-pound trucks.
Right.
The problem with the plan, and I respect your, wanting to try to actually make it up this in the Chevy. You got independent front suspension, which awesome on the road.
Fantastic.
Yeah, great.
Dream.
Terrible for off-roading.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Straight Axle. Hey, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna make it to the top because I got a straight axle. Oh. Y'all watch this. IFS and all, I'm going to the top.
After Tanner's gratuitous burnout, he had little tread left on his tires, so he was at a disadvantage. All I had to do was make it to the top.
All right, Silverado, it's you and me. I know you can do this. Let's build a little boost, and then let's take off.
What?
Oh, there it is. Yeah, hi-ho, Silverado, away! Oh, hello! Yeah! Look at that, dig it.
Tell you what, I'm glad I don't work here if that's the runaway truck thing.
Right. You feel like you're gonna have a problem with this?
Not at all. I'll show you.
Rutledge made it up the hill with ease. Now all I had to do was get to the top, and we would have Tanner exactly where we wanted him.
Okay, go for it.
Goodbye. That's it. See? Step on the gas and climb the hill like a man. Like a ram. Ah!
That is just crazy.
Our trap was set. Tanner may have thought this was an easy challenge, but a slow climb like this requires good traction.
Are you ready?
Yes. There he goes.
Oh, that is dangerous.
That's digging.
We are really going for it.
You see that solid axle just jumping?
He's spinning. He's spinning.
Yeah!
He's spinning.
Come on, you're super! You're super! Damn it.
It's
Yes!
That's it.
Okay, one more try at it. Just a second.
No way! Give it up!
Let it go.
Use your superpowers!
Just kidding.
It's just digging and digging and digging.
Oh.
Is that thing buried to the axle?
Yeah. Hey, look at these half a tire's in there.
Damn it. Here's the thing.
There's no thing.
Here's the thing. It's the tread. The burnouts.
Yeah. You know what? You're absolutely right. That was a pile of Super Duty. Here he goes. Look at it.
If you hadn't spent all that time riding circles and donuts around us, you'd have plenty of tires left.
I can do burnouts.
That
No. You lost.
there's
Let
because
it go. I know. You're gonna be up for days.
God, it feels so sweet when you suck at something.
I know.
Oh, it feels good. You know what? I'm not done here.
There's more.
I think the Chevy can do way more stuff than this.
I know the Ram can.
We had successfully given Tanner a beatdown. But our toughest truck challenge wasn't over. The real test for a pickup is towing capacity. So we set out once and for all to see who had the toughest truck.
I'm telling you, this is a great plan.
This is a great plan. Remember those words.
Towing capacity. What's yours?
24,400. Yeah,
Oh, a
I
lot.
know. But that's Super Duty, so it's obviously on a different scale.
Mine's almost 30.
What? What?
It's 22.
Yeah, okay.
That's almost 30.
I'm just... Just a little bit. 21.7, just below.
21 what?
21.7.
Uh-huh.
So this is one I'm ready for. What do you got?
Well, look, here's the deal. We've seen all the commercials when people test trucks. It's always, oh, you can outpull this guy pulling a boat or a trailer.
Mm-hmm.
What does that have to do with telephone poles?
Well, I just saw it, and I thought that'd be a cool thing to pull down.
I respect the destructive nature in you.
Well,
Let's let it happen.
okay. In many famous man's words, watch this.
Does he know they're all hooked together?
This telephone pole stands at about 4 stories high and is dug 20 feet into the ground. Pulling it down is a perfect way to demonstrate my Chevy's towing power.
This is a great idea. Yes.
He's gonna electrocute all of us.
No,
Yeah.
I'll be okay. I'll just keep your feet off the ground. Yeah.
This is the stuff you dream about when you're a kid right here. Oh, I wonder if you can pull a telephone pole down with a truck.
I really like the idea, but it is one of the dumber ideas
Yeah,
we've had on this show.
it's pretty cool.
4-wheel drive. Chevy, I know you can do it. Here I go! Here I go!
Yeah, get angry at it, Rutledge.
Come on, let's go!
I'm in full support of whatever's about to happen. There it goes.
It's coming down! He got 2!
Did you see that?
That was beautifully stupid!
I just ripped a telephone pole down! Chevy!
But to be fair, that's not really towing, it's pulling.
I don't think that was all that impressive. Really, and you were hooked up to the top. They look like they're gonna fall over on their own.
I tried
That's
to get
true.
1 and I got 2.
It sounded rotten. The wood did.
Why don't you show me something cooler?
I think I saw something.
Let's go.
You did awesome. You did awesome, Chevy. 2 poles. Somebody's gonna have to clean all this up, you know.
Rutledge's first annual telephone pole pull down was entertaining, but it wasn't the best way to show off a truck's towing capacity. To show them my Ford was the toughest truck, I found the biggest and heaviest thing around. I don't think pulling down a couple toothpicks really shows what a truck can do.
I agree with you, but this?
Yeah, this shows what a truck can do.
There's no way you're
This,
gonna be able
first
to
of
pull
all,
a
you have
train.
an engine and a coal car, all right? You know how much that weighs?
That is 140 tons back there. 280,000 pounds of steel and iron.
And what's your tow capacity?
Just shy of that. Okay, it's not load rated for what we're about to do, but I just want to prove to you why Ford is the ultimate truck. This is what Made in America means, my friends. Step back.
Let me get a good vantage point here.
Yep. Oh, you almost got it. Come on.
That rope's gonna snap.
Keep going. Come on. It's moving.
It's moving! Yes! That's what I'm talking about!
There is no way he is pulling a train right now. Are you kidding me?
Yes! Yeah, but it's on wheels.
Yeah, it's on wheels.
Doesn't count.
You're right. You know what?
Doesn't count.
It's a terrain!
On wheels.
No big deal. Not impressive at all.
I'll show you something impressive. Watch the Ram. Follow me, Thomas. What?
That's funny. That's about Thomas the Tank Engine. It's a kid's show. Thomas, he's a train. He's on an island, and the front of the train is his face.
What's the island called?
Sodor.
So sad.
There's Percy. There's Thomas. There's Clara. There's a whole bunch of them. There's a whole gang of them.
So, to top Tanner's Ford pulling a 280,000-pound train, I needed something massive, something gargantuan, something so big I could prove that my Ram was the toughest truck. 2 termite-infested telephone poles, and a train on wheels.
Hey.
Speak not, just watch. Watch and learn. Here comes the Ram, boys!
It was a 280,000-pound train.
On wheels!
Cables are still, I mean, it was a functioning telephone pole.
Such a bad idea.
We're gonna pull down a house. Our toughest truck challenge had come down to towing capacity. Tanner's Ford pulling a 280,000-pound train was pretty impressive. But I was ready to bring down the house.
Such a bad idea.
Come on, baby. Let's show them what a Ram can do, huh?
Ah, this is gonna be great. Total catastrophe.
You ready, fellas?
Is there an answer to that question, really?
Here we go.
You feel confident in his ability
No,
to do this?
he's gonna mess this all up, and it's a house. Start moving. Oh my gosh. Hey, you're just digging a hole. Well, that was impressive. Watch him figure this out. This should be good.
Remain calm. All is well.
That house is just laughing at you
Now
right
he's
now.
gonna yank it now. Oh, this is gonna look bad.
Almost there. Rome wasn't built in a day, fellas.
Go big or go home.
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that to him.
I think you did it.
I'm pretty sure you just pulled that house down. You pulled this house down.
I feel like a lot of asbestos just went into my lungs. Are you okay?
That was awesome.
Yeah. So, I think we proved that the Ram is the toughest truck.
The house is, first of all, it's not as heavy as the train.
This thing was falling in on itself. Those telephone poles were in the ground.
Those telephone poles were put up during the Eisenhower administration. Will you stop it?
Maybe. They were still in there.
But they were rotten anyway. And the train, a good wind could have blown that train. It was
Yeah.
on wheels and on the track. This was a house. Gentlemen, I pulled down a house.
It's pretty impressive. You took
Terrible.
a lot of tries, though.
We need to go before these people get home.
Okay.
That's actually a good call.
Gentlemen, I hope you were paying attention because that's how you prove you have the toughest dually. You pull down a house. Yes.
I gotta admit, I'm kind of confused at what that has to do with having a dually. Like, basically, people buy these trucks for towing, right? I'm pretty much the only one that actually towed anything.
There's no description when people look at a magazine for trucks. Let's see. Has it pulled down a house? Oh, yeah, it has. Has it, over its load capacity, pulled a train 8 feet? Oh, that's not on there either.
Wait a minute, honey. This pulled down telephone poles. This is the truck for us.
There's a footnote for that.
And for drag racing.
Who buys pickups for speed unless you're robbing a Walgreens in Georgia?
I'll tell you who buys trucks for speed. Everyone that buys a cool truck. Yeah. Thank you.
You beat me by 4 inches, maybe?
I don't think that matters. I beat you. You smoked the tires and the burnout, and then we tied on the truck ramp, which means the Chevy is the strongest truck in America. See you next time.